There's no women around with big tits, so I should be able to focus on the plane. Good stuff. Yeah, I want something that's more trainer-y, just try and enjoy rather than worry. Oh, alright, totally lost where you are.
Yeah, it's a bit bouncy.
Is that a 20cc, the one in that?
Mine?
Yeah.
No.
Oh right, so it's the same as that 90 that I've bought for the...
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Oh, excellent. Well, it seems to run all right.
Yeah, it's all right. You don't... That was close. I've had so many close calls on this flight.
I quite like that. I looked on slec's website for 70 quid for just the kit. It's not a cheap model, is it?
It's gone up in price. It's about 59 when I bought it.
Right, yeah.
That was last Christmas.
70 quid for a bunch of balsa wood is... Does it come with covering? No.
No, but you do get a lot for your money. You get the tank, you get the wheels, you get the collets, you get all the hinges, the fuel pipe. You get everything except for covering, engine and radio gear, and I think 70 quid.
It's a nice model, I like it.
And it's a bargain, really. And this was 59.